So in today's session, we'll be just see an overview what is a Wazuh SIEM. Okay, and these are the contents. First, we'll see what is an Wazuh. Okay, and why we will be using Wazuh, and Wazuh architecture we will be seeing, and some of the key components of Wazuh. Along with that, some of the core features and capabilities, and deployment scenario, like where all we will be able to deploy, and some of the use cases and benefits. So now, as you can see, our Wazuh login page, it is loading as of now. So it is asking for password and username. So admin username was admin itself. So password which we got recently, I'll just copy that. Okay. I have copied the password and just paste the password over here. Okay, just click on login. So if you want to save the password, you can just click on update over here. Okay, so that every time if you log out of restart the Wazuh manager over there. So we already have this FIM detection. FIM detection in the sense file integrity monitoring over there. So in order to view the vulnerability alerts, so after enabling the vulnerability detection in your Wazuh dashboard or in your Wazuh, mainly you have to enable it in Wazuh dashboard as well. And also in some cases in Wazuh agent also it will be off. In the sense the logs won't be sent to the server to make sure that that is enabled as well. Okay. So welcome to this session. So in this module, we are going to understand Elastic SIEM. So which is one of the modern security tool platform used by security teams as well as SOC analysts. So if you have wondered how organization monitors millions of logs generated by the servers, applications, and your network devices. So basically there, this tools like Elastic SIEM plays a very important role. So here, if you see properly, this was a forbidden request that is 401, right? And for the failed login attempts, failed login attempts again, failed login attempts again. And at last, there is a what we can say 200. Okay, in essence, the attacker got into the account over there. So now we can see the distribution of access to URLs. So this helps us to identify suspicious downloads like executable files over here. Okay. And same thing we'll do for this as well. I'll just click on save to library over here and name it as suspicious downloads. Okay. And just click on save over here. Okay.